AWS Global Infrastructure. The AWS Global Infrastructure means the AWS provide the infrastructure with the data centers that are available all over the world for the people usage. Here we will see what is region and availability zone. Region. The region and availability zone are available globally all over the world. So they are called AWS Global Infrastructure. Here region means which is a physical location that is located all around the world. And the region have multiple availability zone inside it. And each region is also isolated from other region. Availability zone. The availability zone is present inside the region, and the availability zone is interconnected with other availability zones also. And availability zone have one or more discrete data center, and each data center is available with redundant power and networking connectivity. So the code for availability zone is identified by the letter identifier. If we see the example here, US East 1A here, the region code is US East and 1A is the availability zone. If it is first availability zone means then it will be indicated by 1A. The second availability zone will be indicated by 1B. Likewise, the availability zone code or assigned. If we take district, the district is the region here, and the cities present inside the district or the availability zone here. Likewise, the district have many cities inside it. So similarly, the region also have many availability zone inside, and the districts are present all over the Tamil Nadu. Likewise, the AWS Global Infrastructure has region and availability zone that is present globally all over the world.